Alright guys, so today I'm going to tell you just a little bit about ear notching. I know you guys have been doing some work with ear notching. I'm going to show you the tool that we use first. It's this guy right here. And all we do is, I'm going to show you on this piece of paper towel right here, wherever you want the ear notch to go. And I know that you guys all know that there's a 1 and a 3 and a 9. And then a 27 and an 81 even in extreme circumstances. But all you do is you take this tool right here, wherever you want it on the ear, snap it, and you get a nice little ear notch that looks like that. And I know you guys have questions for me, so fire away.
Okay, question 1. Where do you take the pigs when you notch their ears?
Okay, so when we're ear notching, the pigs are still with their mother, so we take them out of the pen. So that we're not in the pen with the mother because she doesn't like it very much. And we put them in a barrel and we pick a pig up and we give it its ear notch and we put it right back in the pen with its mother.
Okay, when do you do this?
Okay, so we do this pretty early in their lives, usually about 1 to 2 days old. We will ear notch them, and the main reason why we do it so early is because we have quite a few pigs and we want to make sure we know what pig belongs with what mother.
Do you do this all by yourself?
No, it can be done by yourself. It's kind of difficult. So we always have at least 2 people doing this at one time. One person will hold the pig next to their body, while the other person will then take this and then ear notch their ear.
Do the pigs scream or cry when you notch their ears?
Baby pigs don't like being held very well, so they're kind of screaming when they're being held, and then the ears aren't real sensitive, so I don't know that it hurts them a whole bunch, but yes, they do scream. They don't like it very much at all.
Do they bleed?
Yes, they bleed a little bit. One of the things that we do sometimes to help with that is we can put iodine. All you do is spray it, iodine sprays out, put iodine on the wound, and it helps clean that wound for them. We normally don't do it, but if you wanted to, you probably could.
What if you mess up?
If you do it a whole lot, you don't mess up very often. We do it a whole lot. But however, about once a year, we will mess up. And all we have to do is we need to make sure that we mark that pig, that ear notch, in our records so that we know exactly what mother it came from, what litter it came from, so that down the road, if we do sell that pig, we know exactly who he or she is from.
How long does it take to notch a pig's ears?
Great question. How many notches are we going to put in there? If we're going to put like maybe a 1-3, 1-3 is going to take us about 5 seconds. If we're going to do a 16-14, that's going to take a little bit longer, probably 10 to 15 seconds to do one pig.
What is the biggest number you've ever had to do when notching a pig's ears?
We have done a 100. That's a whole bunch of notches.
And does that mean that a mother had 100 litters?
No, that means that is the 100th litter that we have ear notched that year.
So it's the total number of litters on your farm?
Yes, not from one mother.
Can we see some ears over here?
Yeah, check them out. There's a good one right there. This one's notch right here would be 21 dash. What is that ear? That's a 10. This one right here, there's a 15.
This one has a whole bunch right here.
This one has a whole bunch. That would be an 8. This one has a couple 9s on top, so that's going to be a 26-8 would be that pig's ear notch right there.